Every year, cities spend a huge amount of money because their sewage pipes are slowly falling apart. The concrete inside them breaks down, repairs become more and more costly, and the environment is harmed. At Western Sydney University, I created a new type of smart and eco-friendly coating that protects pipes from strong acids and harmful microbes found in wastewater. It's more than just a layer, it's like a strong sheet for the future. And it's made from natural and recycled materials. This new coating not only stops damage, but also sticks strongly to the concrete, fixes weak places, and helps pipes for many years. It means less breakdowns, safer communities, and less money spent on repairs. It also supports Australians' goals to reuse materials and care for the environment.